Can I quickly tell you this? How will you know that you are not born again? When you hate hearing the truth, you are not born of God. You are a child of the devil. Jesus said, I think John 8:46. He said, only those who belongs to God hear the word of God. So you are not born again because your daddy is a pastor and your mommy is a prophetess. So the pastor met with prophetess and automatically they give birth to a child of God. No, Momo, they worry you. Momo, they worry you. No, you are. That's not to be born again. What the sperm of man can produce is sinner. Nobody got born again that way. It is not by formula. Raising up your hand, marching to the altar, and say after me. No. Being born again is a miracle. You understand? The greatest miracle that happened to any man on earth is regeneration.